Hello students, let's start with the new chapter which is National Insurance Contribution. There are various types of NIC students and but here students we are starting with the class 1 NIC contribution which arises when an individual is employed in the UK and is aged over 16 years and has a earning in excess of the threshold limit. But once the employee works even after attaining the state pension age, there will not be any class 1 contribution liability from employee side students. But yes, from the employer side students, employer have to pay their liability. Then after students, what will be the meaning of the earnings for the purpose of NIC? It's very simple students, that any remuneration derived from the employment which is paid in cash or a remuneration which can be readily convertible into cash is called an earning. So now students, here we have some examples of the cash earnings. So please go through those examples. And students, here we have examples of the non-cash earnings also. So please go through these lists also. Now students, we have the earnings which is relevant for the NIC chapter. So now what will be the liability of the NIC to be paid by the employee under class 1? So here are the earning threshold students and percentage given also. So it's very simple concept. But the contribution made is not an allowable deduction to the employee. Now students, we have to see the class 1 NIC liability to be made by employer, right? Now, the liability will depend on the earnings, and here are also the threshold and percentages given. So it's very simple. But the contribution paid by the employer will be allowable to deduct from the trading profit. So we can say that it is a tax allowable deductions or expenditure, right? Now students, we have class 1A NIC contribution which is paid by the employer. Please make sure which is paid by employer on taxable non-cash benefit given to the employee at the rate of 13.8% students. Yes, it's an allowable deduction for employer and it will be exempt benefit to the employee. Right? Then after, we have class 2 NIC payable by the self-employed person students. The class 2 liability is fixed per week, right? And it's £3 if the profit exceeds the 6365 GBP. It's not an allowable expenditure to the business students because it's a personal expenditure for the owner. It's not a business expenditure we call, right? Now we have class 4 NIC which is once again payable by the self-employed person until the person reaches the state pension age. It will be calculated on the basis of trading profit. So we have threshold limit and the percentage also given over here. Students, here class 4 NIC is not an allowable deduction for the trading purpose once again. So yes, here we are done with the small chapter. Students, we will do the next chapter in the next session. Thank you.